AMC stock analysis and AMC stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos, 41,000 videos made over 5 years. So, you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And all that says that I'm looking to double down by more. Bro, I'm like literally on the bleeding edge from pulling the trigger on even more buys here. Because look at this. I do have like 38 results that pop up in the receipts channel in the Discord. And not only that, more so like from a swing approach. Only if I see some sort of like shift here, it's when I'll be finally able and, you know, comfortable enough to pull the trigger in this one. Now, why am I saying this? Why am I not just immediately going YOLOing in? Well, yeah, like, let's make it make sense, man. Like, if there's no sort of double break, why the heck would I be forcing something here? Right? I wouldn't. So, if you want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, then just, yeah, sure to click the first link in the description and get my free emails. And I will be continuing to keep you updated. So, goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.